Thank you guys so much for coming back today. So appreciate it. So today's video, I don't know, you guys saw it at the beginning there. It's very, I think we're gonna go blue. It's very like soft and like gorgeous, very like John Galliano Dior inspired. This is like always like something that I just like go back to if I'm like feeling a little bit stuck and like don't really know what to do. I just like doing like variations of this kind of makeup because it's like the best kind of makeup for me. I love it so much. It like excites me so much. And yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna not even talk anymore. That's it. We're not covering our brows. We're gonna use our natural brows. So I'm gonna get everything sorted and I'll be back and we'll get started. So see you guys in 2 seconds. Bye. Okay, so I have my blue contacts in, as you guys can see. We're gonna actually start with the eyes for this look because it's very messy and I don't want any fallout. So I'm literally only gonna put this on the lid, just as like to create like a base, obviously. Blend that out real quick. Okay, take a bit of setting powder. Okay, and we're good to go. So let's move on to some shadows. Okay, so like I said, I want to go blue. So we're going to start in with this baby blue. This is the Sugar Pill Pressure Eyeshadow in Home Sweet Home. It's like just a really pretty matte shadow. On a big brush here. Basically just going to cover the entire lid in this. Alright, we're going to go in, this is the Kat Von D Pastel Golf palette. I'm gonna go in with this blue here. So it's a little bit of a darker blue. Super pigmented. I'm gonna work this into our crease. Now, in for a little bit darker. Taking this blue here on my same brush, working this in up here. Jesus Christ, this is like literally doing nothing. Piss off. Okay, we're gonna go with the darker blue. This is the Sugar Pill Pressed Eyeshadow in Velocity. Putting this into our crease. Also focusing a lot of this up here, going back in with our bigger brush and just blending it. And with our, oh, this stuff is just insane. It's like fucking, literally, it goes everywhere instantly. So this is the Sugar Pill Loose Pressed Eyeshadow in Soot and Stars. Using this to darken stuff up a little bit more. Just taking a bigger brush now and just blending it together. And taking my other bigger brush, my blending brush that we've been using, and then just blending all the edges. Okay, going in with a bit more black. Really darkening up this end bit here. Alright, real quick, I'm gonna take some white, just on a flat brush, and we're just gonna put this in the highlighted areas. Pack it on, so you know, top of lid, underneath brow bone. Really not being super careful with it. That's kind of why I love this look, is because it's like, it can just be whatever. It doesn't even matter. Like, literally at all. It's very exciting, I have to admit. Okay, now, I don't know if this is a good idea. I've got no idea. But I'm going to take this pink gloss I might actually take it on a brush as well. Okay, brush, pink gloss. Paint this on the inner part of the lid here. This is the Sugar Pill Lush Eyeshadow in Ghosted. Flat brush. Straight over the top. A little bit underneath the brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with this other loose shadow. This is Magpie. It's like a really deep dark blue. It's like super, super gorgeous. Going to put this on the dark areas. Basically just like patting it on with this brush to begin with. And then we're going to go in and blend it all together. Now we're going to take this is called Clickbait. And we're going to put this in the other areas. Now, big brush, blending it together. See that? So I've got a little bit of glitter here, so just like blue glitter. While our lid is still a tiny bit wet, I'm going to take this on a flat brush. Oh, never mind. Just take a bit of glitter. Why the hell not? Alright, I think we're going to move down to the bottom now. So I'm going to get rid of all this. Alright, dope. Let's put on a bit of primer first. Okay, primer, Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer. If cute. Alright, cool. TV paint stick. Straight in. Okay, just a tiny bit of concealer. Being super careful around the eyes there, obviously. Key. Let's do this. Okay, contour. Alright, really quick, tiny bit of contour down the nose. Mostly just on the tip here, because we're going to do something different with the nose. Really, honestly, not even that much. Like literally the tiniest bit. So I want to do like really red rosy cheeks, I think. So I'm taking this lipstick. This is just, I have no idea what this is. It's just kind of like a red orange lipstick. Whatever you have. Putting this all on the cheeks. Taking our sponge. Blending it all out. Obviously going to come back in and do a lot more with powders. But for now, this is just what I want to do. And I also want to bring it up the nose. Like that sort of vibe. Okay, pretty. I really like that. So, taking our sponge again, and we're going to set. So I'm going to get rid of all the creases underneath our eyes. Alright, now going in with a bigger brush. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some white shadow. And we're really going to highlight the highlight areas. underneath the eyes here. Top of the nose. So now time for bronzer. And just like contours and all that kind of stuff. Alright, so let's move down to the bottom in terms of eyeshadow. So I'm going to take some powder here for Fallout. I focus most of this under here. This is probably a better idea to do this beforehand, but you know, we're here now and we just fucked up, so whatever. Alright, so back in with our colours, so taking our blue to begin with. Running this along the bottom. Bigger brush to blend out. Okay, now onto some darker colours, so taking our black. Alright, I'm going to take this black highliner. This is just like a black liner. And I really want the entire perimeter of the eye to be super, super black. So I'm going to go around with this. Around the top and the bottom. We're not doing any type of wing. We're just like really darkening it. See that? Okay, I'm taking this Krylon cream highlighter stuff, whatever it is. Placing this inside. Alright, now in with our white pigment. Straight over the top. Okay, so I think for this look we need some brows. So taking my eyeliner here. Pretty straightforward stuff. Straight down. Alright, heaps of mascara, top and bottom. That's pretty much the final step, really. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, cool. Let's brush back our baking powder here. Alright, moving on to our blush now, which is super important. So I'm going to go for more of a orangey blush. Just literally just going in for all these oranges here. Going straight in, focusing a lot of it on the cheeks instead of the nose, because we've already got some of the nose. Don't want to go too hard. Okay, so pretty. Obsessed, obsessed. All right, highlighter. This is pretty important. Kat Von D Metal Crush palette. Really packing that on quite a bit. Not really wasting any time. Really putting this everywhere. So cheeks, nose, chin, forehead. Kind of want this to be pretty intense. Okay, lips. What are we doing for lips? So, gonna just cover my lips with some foundation. I'm feeling like I want to do just gloss. Maybe we'll do pink gloss. Yeah, let's try pink. This is just the Marc Jacobs Enamored High Lip Gloss in Rio. This is the one that I use a lot. I love this one. Kind of just in the middle, really. Maybe this is a little bit too hot pink. Going in with this lipstick. This is the NYX lipstick in... Ooh, I've rubbed off the name. I'm so sorry. It's like a violet purple. It's really pretty. Should have done this first, but we didn't. So just focusing this like inside there. And then I might go over just the inside again. The darker color. This is the Marc Jacobs lip crayon in Merlot Blow. I'm just going to do a tiny little beauty mark here. We are done. So, that's it for the makeup. I'm gonna go do my hair, try and find an outfit or something, and then I'll be back and we'll be done. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds, bye. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So I've just pulled all my hair back, nothing too crazy, and just put on a red turtleneck, and this is it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess that's it. I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye.